morning. 2024 Formative Assessment 3 English Part B TOEFL Primary Listening Test Answers. Please subscribe Padu Tech channel, like it and share it. First one, Robert is throwing ball. Robert is throwing ball. Answer is C. Answer is C. Second one, Lisa is writing a letter. Lisa is writing a letter. Answer B. Lisa is writing a letter. Answer B. Next question. Third one. Carter and Mona Lisa are boarding the school bus. Carter and Mona Lisa are boarding the school bus. Answer A. Answer A. Next, fourth one. We are going to have a quiz now. We are going to have a quiz now. Answer B. We are going to have a quiz now. Answer B. Next, fifth one. Listen to a phone conversation between two friends. Choose the one that sounds appropriate. What is the highlight for you in this new fitness tracker? What is the highlight for you in this new fitness tracker? Option A, I have not the chance to use all its features, so I am not sure it. Option B, they have an amazing selection of desserts. Option C, I have not delved into the material deeply, so I can't pinpoint one just yet. Answer A. I have not the chance to use all its features, so I am not sure it. Next, sixth one. Listen to a phone conversation between two friends. Choose the one that sounds appropriate. What do you love most about this new office building? Option A, the ambience is fantastic and they have a live jazz band. Option B, this is completely suitable for professionals like me. Option C, it is near the restaurant which I like most. Answer B. Answer B. Next, seventh one. Listen to a conversation between a boy and his mom. Listen for the answer to this question. What does the boy want to do? Wake up, Jake. Mom, it is Sunday. Can I get some more sleep? Today is our cleaning day. Dad and sister already mopping the floor and taking out the garbage. Question is, what does the boy want to do? What does the boy want to do? Answer B. Answer B. Next, Eighth one, listen to a conversation between his son and his grandma. Listen for the answer to this question. What does the son want to do? Rise and shine, Michael. It is beautiful day, Grandma. It is my day off. Can I sleep a little more? Grandma saying, your sister is planning a small garden project in the backyard and she could use some assistance. Answer B. Answer B. Next, ninth one. Listen to the voice made and then answer the question. Hey, there it is, Sarah. I saw your laptop at the library earlier today. Swing by and grab it whenever you can. Question is, what did Sarah call about? Answer is C. Answer is C. Next question, 10th one. Listen to the phone message. Hi Dad, this is Ami. Just remind you, we are having a talent show at our school tonight. I am playing a princess in a play. Please don't be late. Please don't be late. Come to see. I will see you tonight. Bye. Here question is, why did Amy call her dad? Why did Amy call her dad? Answer is B. Answer is B. Please subscribe Padu Tech channel, like it and share it. Yours Muttam Setti Padasarthi from Nellore. Thank you.